Hey guys, welcome back. I decided to pick these up from Amazon. They look very colorful. I have used one of them already in my Valentine's Day look, which is this pretty pastel pink, so you guys could get a better look. And they do come individually packed, so these come in a pack of 12. So I already went ahead and unwrapped these, so I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching them. The first one up is this white one in 01. This one's in 08 and it's more of a raspberry fuchsia. This is number 12 and it's more of a blue and violet color. Number 5, which is a pretty lavender purple. This one doesn't look as bright in the camera, but it's number 11 and it's more of a hot pink. This one's number 6 and it's such a pretty brown color. It kind of looks cinnamon. This one's number 4 and it's a nice pinky nude. This one has to be my favorite one and it's number 3 and it's such a pretty sky blue. Number 9, which is this beautiful bright yellow. This one, it's such a pretty bright green and it's number 10. Number 7, which is a pretty orange, but it does look brighter in person. Last but not least, number 2, and is this pastel pink, which I used on my Valentine's Day look. So I'm doing a quick makeup tutorial and I'm going in with that lavender purple. I just wanted to see how it looked on. And then I'm just getting some pink eyeshadow and I'm just going to be adding that to the bottom. I'm in love with these liners. They're so pretty. I truly recommend them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.